So, hello and welcome to another lecture in our NixOS series by techlatest.net. Today we'll explore like what is NixOS and how you set up NixOS on GCP, basically Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so next what we have to do, click on product and support page, then go in DevOps category. In DevOps category, you can find about the NixOS product, NixOS with GUI. So click on NixOS with GUI option. Here you can see all the things like GCP deployment guide, Azure deployment guide, user guide, online tutorials and other things. So let's search on Google what is NixOS. Okay, so you can see that NixOS is an open source, free and open source Nix distribution based on the Nix package manager. NixOS uses an immutable design and atomic update model. It uses of a declarative configuration system, allows reproducibility and portability. What is NixOS used for? So NixOS declarative configuration model makes it easy to reproduce a system configuration on another machine. For instance, to test a change in test environment before doing it in the production server. You just copy the configuration nix.nix file to the target NixOS machine and run NixOS rebuild switch. Okay, so this is about the NixOS. You can also like read on our website. So NixOS represents a significant shift in system management, emphasizing reproducibility, reliability, and flexibility. Its unique approach to package management and system configuration makes it an ideal choice for developers, system administrators, and businesses looking for robust scale operating system. So this VM comes with pre-configured with NixOS right out of the box with minimal setup time. So benefits of NixOS is stability, security, declarative configuration, atomic upgrades and rollbacks, reproducibility, isolation and clean environment. Why choose our NixOS VM offers so high accessibility, seamless integration, scalability. Okay, so let's start our process. So basically we'll cover GCP deployment guide. Okay, so click on GCP deployment guide, and here you can see the step-by-step process and setup and installation of NixOS with GUI on GCP. So what we have to do next, open NixOS with GUI listing on GCP marketplace. Okay, so you can direct click on this link and open link in new tab, and here you can see that your VM is here, which is NixOS with GUI Linux for stable configuration and upgrades. Now click, or you can also go through the overview and other things. Now click on Get Started button. After clicking on Get Started button, you can accept these terms and other things. Now click on Agree. After clicking on Agree, it will take to the page. Here you can see successfully agree to the terms. Now click on Deploy button. So after clicking on deploy button, you can see the checking APIs and other things. You can see the machine type, existing account, deployment name. You can select the zone according to your zone. You can select the series and other things. Now, this is one of the most important thing, which is machine type. Okay, so let's go on website and see here what is our machine type. Okay, so wait for a minute. So here you can see the machine type is N1 standard. I will just zoom this. So N1 standard 2 CPU, 1 core 7.5 GB memory. Your boot disk type is standard persistent disk. Boot disk size is in GB 40. Okay, so let's see. Same here. N1 standard 2 CPU, 1 core 7.5 GB memory. Again check. Yes, this is same. Okay, now next what we have to do, click on deploy. So here you can see the deploying virtual machine product, and you can see the NixOS 1, NixOS with GUI Linux for stable system config and upgrade. Step 3 by 3 deploying. This may take a few minutes, so wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will take some time. Okay, so now you can click on compute engine button, and you can check the process of your VM. Here you can see the status and other things. This is an overview of your VM. This is an overview page of the VM. Your status is running now. Your VM is running. Now next what we have to do, we have completed these steps. Now you have to connect your VM with SSH option. Okay, so click on SSH option and click on open in browser window. So this will open your terminal and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Here you can see the transferring SSH keys to the VM, and uh, maximize it. Now next what we have to do, copy this command, which is sudo password ubuntu, run below command to set the password for the ubuntu user. So copy this command and run this command in your terminal. Okay, so here you can see that your terminal is open now. Paste this command and enter it. Now give new password and retype new password Then here you can see the message that password is updated successfully now. Now next what we have to do. Now the password for the Ubuntu is reset. You can connect to the VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using RDP or Linux machine using Remina. To connect using RDP or Windows machine, first know the external IP of the VM from the VM details page. So go on VM details page, note the external IP of the VM. Now again open your remote desktop option and paste the IP address, then click on connect, then click on yes, and here you can see that your VM is now started, and give username as Ubuntu, and the password you have set up in 6 step from sudo password Ubuntu command. Okay, now click on OK. So wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, give Ubuntu Ubuntu. Okay, I think I will give the wrong name, and the password again, and click on OK. Okay, so yeah, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will start your VM basically. And next, what we have to do, yeah, we have completed this step. We have connected with the RDP. Now this will connect to the VM desktop environment, and I'm on a Windows, like I'm a Windows user, so I'm using RDP. If you are a Linux user, so use Ramina. You can direct install Ramina from here. This is a direct link to the Ramina website, and you can install Ramina, and same step are here. You can also check it out on our website. So next, what we have to do, once you are connected to the VM desktop environment, you can access the NixOS to do double click on the NixOS launcher available on the desktop as shown. Okay, so open this, and yeah, it will take more time to launch. Now it will open a virtual machine manager window. On this window, select NixOS 2405 option, which is in shut off storage, and click on power on button as shown below. Okay, so then cross this and click on NixOS launcher basically. If you click on NixOS launcher, then it will open an window. Uh, then here you can see the NixOS 2405 is in shut off stage. Now next what we have to do, click on this button. Basically it will like power on the virtual machine. So if you click on this button, uh, clicking the double arrow at the top of the corner. Once you are connected to NixOS, update the tech latest password from the terminal. Open terminal from apps menu and run below commands and enter the password. Enter the new password. Okay. So basically, if you open this, then you can see that if you click on this box, so this will open this screen. Then if you click on this, so virtual hardware edit, so you can see this lot of stuff, OS information and other things. Then this is same the power button. And if you want to shut down your VM, so you can use this button. Then if you want to send keys, then you can use this button. You can, if you click on view, so you can uh, uh, click on console, so you can find that. Let's log in here. Give password is tech latest 123. Okay, and yes, it's right, and click on enter, so it will like open the NixOS basically. Here like NixOS is open now, and like your virtual machine is successfully running. You can see a lot of things here, like this button and other things. And if you click on this and other things, then if you click on apps, so you can find a lot of things here like terminal and other things. And let's do something here. Here you can see that the graphics and accessories, then favorites, then internet, office, sound and video, system tools, and NixOS manual and other things, then utilities, other. So this is something like it works. And if you click on this, then here you can see there are a lot of things like the system monitor, extreme and other things. If you search about the terminal, so you can see the console here. Click on this, and we have used our command, which is basically the sudo password tech latest. And if you go again here, this command uh, sudo password tech latest. Okay. Okay, so give the new password here. So basically your new password, give the new password and retype new password. And you can see that your password is updated successfully now. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium. On Medium, we will do a lot of stuff like post daily blogs and other things. So bye bye. We'll meet in next video.